Hi, Chef Alan Carlson at Italian Colors Restaurant in Oakland, California. Today we're going to make a margarita marinated and herb roasted chicken. So to start with, we make a marinade. The marinade is going to consist of kosher salt, crushed red chilies, fresh rosemary, lemon juice, and water. It is a lot more salt than you think you're going to need. We'll chop up some of the rosemary, a pinch of the crushed chilies in there, fresh lemon juice. Okay, so the marinade is ready. We'll mix that up a little bit. A little whisk, some tongs. You just want to make sure the salt's not all sitting on the bottom. Gets in there. It's a margarita with the exception of the tequila. Okay, for the chicken, we like to marinate ours for at least overnight, even 24 hours if we can. So we just put them in the bowl and then put our margarita brine over them. And you set that aside and it goes into the refrigerator for 24 hours. We roast these in the oven. When they come out of the oven, I just squeeze fresh lemon juice over it. It makes its own sauce from the pan of being in the oven. We pour that over the top of it. We usually serve it with some garlic mashed potatoes and a fresh vegetable and keep it really straightforward and simple. It's something you can serve at home. Stays moist for a long time. Everybody's always really happy with it. So simple, fun, easy, hard to mess it up. Chef Carlson from Italian Colors Restaurant in Oakland, California. Margarita marinated and herb roasted chicken. Bon appetit.